Itel Wish A40, the best phone that we could get at 40 to 100 rupees. Yes, the price of this phone is what it makes the phone the most perfect one. This is MCLSPM to give you a review about the Itel Wish A40. So before we start the video, please do subscribe my channel. The phone has a 12.7cm wide FWVGA display, which is not a bad thing. The backside of the phone that we can see is one of the best part of the phone. The lines is something that blend with the color. The phone is comfortable to hold in the hand, even though you would not be able to reach the notification bar with a single hand. I would definitely prefer a case with this device. It comes with a 5 megapixel rear camera and a 2 megapixel front facing camera. The rear camera is having an autofocus option. These are some of the sample shots taken by the rear camera. The rear camera tends to enhance the colors in the background, which I personally don't like, because I just want to see the photo as it is. This is taken from the front facing cam. The phone has an headphone jack and a Type-C USB port for charging. It also supports OTG. At the backside of this device we can see a fingerprint scanner, but actually it is a smart button which is used for ending calls, capturing photos, or even turning on the torch. A pretty handy feature. It comes with 1 GB of RAM and 8 GB of internal storage, of which you will roughly get about 4 GB. And this is one of the main problems that I felt while using this phone for about 4 months. I have felt this issue for about 2 to 3 times after using this device. That is actually a bit annoying. The phone runs on Android 7 Nougat. It has 2 SIM card slots, of which one supports 4G LTE and the other can be 3G or 2G. It has a 2400 mAh battery, which is actually not the best one. I roughly get about 3 to 4 hours of heavy usage, including a little bit of gaming and YouTube videos. The overall performance of the phone throwing light into the price will be fantastic. The phone doesn't hang in between. It has issues or takes time only when we open an app or while using 2 apps at a time. As you can see in this video, I've opened YouTube. It takes a bit of time to load it and to display the items in this. Do support my channel for more future videos.